Good morning, guys. The sun's out at last. I've changed things around in the shed a little bit. This cabinet's new. Got him off the street. Got my paints in there, not many. Canvases down in here. You know, bits and pieces. That one's up there. That I've moved over to that corner. I've moved my table, that table there, and yes, still some junk in here. Look at all this junk. These boxes of Christmas decorations. Just found out that was in there. Got some trays to work on. They're from the butcher's, by the way. There's some big canvases there, some more small ones. I'm going to work on this one today. Put my Floetrol bottle up there. Very nice little cabinet that was thrown out. Only one of the drawers was broken. Jackie fixed that. A couple of canvases down there. Bottles of old Floetrol with water in them. Oh, there's my silicone spray. Yeah, all right now. I might mix in some of that in the paint today. Just pick two colours. Now this is an old one, 3 weeks ago. She split. It's not too bad, but it says going to be poured on. So up we go. Yeah. I've got to get my camera back in organisation mode here now. Oh. Come on, stay up where I want to put you. Come on. I have to get a camera stand, don't I, guys? Oh. No, it wants to go over there. It won't go over there. We may just have to move like that. May have to move the tray a bit. Nope. Let's move the tray. We're in a new spot. That's what it is. And we're going to get everything organised. Oh yes, you're going to come off, aren't you? All what you do is hang like that. Now I'm looking through, I'm going that way, guys. I'm going, turn the camera around that way. Nope, still wants to hang that way. Why do you want to hang that way for me? Come on, guy. You little man. Oh, still wants to hang that way. Let's go over there. Okay, let me just try and move you around. It's a beautiful autumn day here. Now, let me see if we can move you around that way. Let's see what happens. Nope, that's not going to work. Now you're up in the wall, aren't you? You're way up in the wall now. Hang on, look there. Let me see where the beauty is, but I don't want it in my face. Oh. I want it hanging there. In my face, but I don't want it. You can put it onto the table and you're looking out the wall. Okay, let me just move it around a bit. Shake the booty. Oh. Maybe if I put it closer to that. That better? Nope, she still wants to hang over there. I don't want you to hang over there. I want you to hang where you were. Don't be fun little movement of a table, guys. I think just moved it 2 inches. Okay, that may be good for you, but it's not good for me. Okay, let me just see if I can move it over. Oh, of course you're going to fall apart on me, aren't you? Oh, boy. I wonder if other artists have this problem. Their stuff doesn't play nice. Oh, all right, you're not going to go on the ground, and that is it. I just want you to move over for me. Come on. I want you to move. Oh, gee, that peeled off nice. I want you to move over there a little bit. Come on, I've got to get you in the camera. You've got to put that back together. Yeah. Oh, that's right, fall off. Nope, that's not going to work, Andrew, is it? That's not going to work. There we go. There we go. Yeah, let's see if we can get the camera back. Right that way. That will all peel off eventually, look. Peels off. Now, how's that look, guys? There we go. Now I think we're right. I can't go much bigger than what I'm going. Now, is that level? Of course it's not level. What makes you think it's level? Where's my doohickey? Oh, come on. It's not that much. Move it one way. Okay. Okay. Are we right or are we right? No. According to that, it's got to go that way. A bit more. Okay, close enough. Close enough. Now, we're going to put some silicone in these. Big squirt. Big squirt. We'll just put it in the blue, I think. The blue, yeah, just in the blue. Now, you can see the canvas is reasonably level. Now, what are we going to do? What are we going to do here? Will we do a base or not? Okay, this video is what it is. That is from that white that had the glue all in it. It's caused that. We'll just mix up some paint in here. There's a new bottle of black, and it's the Art Box black. Art Box from, I think you can get it through, I like to say Big W. I know Catch has it. This is where I got that, $4 a bottle. Only $4 a bottle, 2 for $8 from Catch. So if I can get it open, of course. It's fairly good paint. I've got some paint in there too, a bit of silver. It's fairly thick. And I'll just mix it with the Floetrol. I'm not using glue or anything. What was that fell down? Oh, gas cylinder. Where is my gas cylinder? My gas is gone. When you rearrange stuff, now that black may take on a nice little silver look. I'll put about that much Floetrol. I'll put it behind me. I'll just grab this one. This is silver from Sargent. It's silver from Sargent, so that will go. That will send that black with a nice silver sheen. I don't want to scrape the bottom too much. Yeah, it's got a nice little silver sparkle. Now it's only an 8 by 10 by 12, I think these were. Now I'll put down the black. And we'll put squirt of the silicone in the black as well. 3 squirts. That's from Aldi. Just experiment, have fun. I haven't done this for about 3-4 weeks. All that rain that we had to have. I'll put a lid on that too. I've got a lid there. No, I didn't think I could do that. I didn't think I could do that. Don't go over the edge. Over the edge I go. No, I've run out of gloves, so I'm not worrying about gloves today. Put some more black down there, and there's a lot of junk in that by the looks of it. takes a fair amount of paint. Now, I don't know if this will split again. If it does, well, that's the nature of the beast. Coating the sides. There we go. A little bit of paint there, that's alright. That's a silver. Now, I'm going to do what Julie did. Oh, look at that. My gold got contaminated. We'll mix it in, make it darker. That's alright. My gold got contaminated with the black. That's okie dokie. Now a dark gold, isn't it? It's alright. Now, I'm gonna go. Be blue. We'll do a blowout. An Aussie blowout, hey? Can't call it a Dutch pour, that's for sure. I cannot call it a Dutch pour, because it's not truly a Dutch pour. Hold up. Red, scarlet, sorry, scarlet. Scarlet. That camera's got to go up a bit somehow. Scarlet. Yellow. And some yellow. And a bit more of this gold. Finish it up. Okay. Now we'll put a little bit of black in on top. And we'll just blow it around and see what we get. No. Whoopsie, 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 whoopsie. Now, we don't need to go all that. Silicone in that. That's the silicone oil. There we go. An Aussie Explosion. Okay, that worked. That had the silicone in two colours, the blue and the black. Oh, where are you going? You get back up on the table. I wonder if anyone else has trouble with their equipment. Gee, that's going to be... Let's burst in some bubbles. come off that way. But, oh, he might slide around on his own accord. Just wipe his bum. Oh no, I don't want to touch that, guys. That is a gorgeous one. Couldn't do that again if I tried. I'll have to get the camera up in a better spot because it's annoying me. Not up high enough. I've got to bend it up a little bit more. That black may take over down that corner. Now let me just move that out of my way. Down there, the flow troll. Oh, there we go. I'll put a lid on that black. A little bit of lid on that black. Grab the lid. Hang on, watch me arm, guys. Put the cover on that. Cover on that. We'll see how that develops later on through the day. That's an Aussie Explosion of colour. No, I don't want to touch that. I think there's some paint, too much paint there. Hang on. That's better. That's better. Okay, now we're right. I've got rid of some of that black. Okay, now that's going to work beautifully, I think. Now we've just got to wait to see if she splits. And if we lose the cells, we shouldn't do. It's only mixed with Floetrol today. It's only mixed with Floetrol. Floetrol and some silicone oil. And that was from Aldi. That's the one. And the gold I used was that brand. I think that was from Bunnings. I'll get some more. I was going this week, but no, it did not happen this week. Oh, that's a beautiful pour back to normal. That is a very nice pour. Oh, I like that. I'll take a screenshot of that. I'll take you down for a close-up. Oops, see, where's my headphones going? Ah, dear me, it's been one of those days, hasn't it, guys? Take you down for a close-up. That's 3 squirts of the silicone in the blue and 3 in the black. No, I hope he stays like this. We all know it won't, don't we? I'll definitely take a screenshot of this. Kind of looks like a brain. I'll upload this morning. I'll use YouTube's upload. Save my gigabytes. That's a beautiful little cell there. I'll just turn off that. Right, yeah, I'll turn it off. That's a nice little section. This is the black and the white's made the grey. There's a little bit of gold. The orange is from the yellow and the scarlet. There could be a little shades of green up there. That is from the blue and the yellow. I don't see no purple. Okay. Happy hands.